Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I go to Advanced Periodontist, and I had LANAP. I have always had a really bad experience with dentists my whole life. Never was a fan of them, and I had the root scaling routine done many years ago, and it just didn't work. I wanted to get healthy from the inside out, and part of that was going to see a dentist. So when I did go to the dentist, they told me that I had severe gum disease.
When Jennifer first came to see us, she was referred by her general dentist, who is one of our partnering doctors that we work with. They had done initial scaling and root planing and initial deep cleaning at their office. And they were finding that the deep cleaning did not really get the results that she was looking for in terms of controlling her periodontal disease. More and more, we're finding that even young people, they need to be screened for periodontal disease. And unfortunately, a lot of the times it's diagnosed too late. And when periodontal disease gets severe, it becomes a lot more difficult and complicated to manage.
Really, the bleeding of the gums was a big eye-opener for me. Constantly always having teeth pain, very sensitive to either cold foods or even hot foods sometimes would actually trigger me. And then also brushing of the teeth, if it was even remotely sensitive. Like there were times that I had to brush my teeth a certain way because it would be so sensitive that I couldn't even touch my gums.
Traditionally, with someone like Jennifer, we would have approached her with gum surgery. But with the laser that we have at our office with some of the advanced technology, we were able to treat her using our LANAP.
They go up into your gum line and actually scrape up all of the nasty stuff that's in there. It may sound really scary, but honestly, what it does, it just cleans everything that's underneath your mouth, on your teeth. Stuff that you can't get with a toothpick, stuff that you can't get with flossing. It's just really, really digging deep. And it's been almost a year and a half now, and I've had no symptoms. I do my regular checkups every 6 months, and it's just been a life-changing experience. Like my teeth feel great, the smile is brighter, the teeth are brighter, so it worked.
With the right treatment, you can definitely keep periodontal disease under control. It's something that can never be eliminated, but you can live a normal life and you can be completely healthy while still having this condition as long as it's treated the right way and maintained the right way.
They want to change you for the better. They want to make you a healthier version of yourself, and I am so thankful for that. I get so many compliments now. I am a health and fitness coach, so one of the biggest things is I have to smile all the time, and I have to be on my A game and show them like, hey, look, I'm smiling. And I don't think I could do that if I didn't have a good smile, if I didn't have the work being done with them. They made my smile brighter than what it is today, and I cannot thank them enough. And if anyone is struggling, this is the place to come.